I would say the thing that surprised me most about the experience is that my work genuinely is impacting projects that I work on.
The simple fact that I got a project start to end is really empowering.
Experiencing what it's like to work at a company that cares a lot about their employees and cares about their mission statement and exactly what it is they're trying to achieve is pretty awesome.
This internship has helped remind me that I'm really impact focused and I needed a strong community around me to help me develop strong projects.
And then also integrating them with our stages here.
My mentor has taught me so much more than I thought even I could learn here.
Illumina has definitely helped me narrow down what I want with my career when I graduate, and it's just opened my eyes and let me see all the different options that I could pursue with my career, and it just obviously has been just a wonderful experience.
The people are the biggest thing that's kind of made this experience so important.
Every day I feel like I'm learning something new here, and every day my mind gets blown a little bit more about what opportunities are available and what exactly the company does.
I'm just blown away by how much experience I've been able to gain from this internship. If I could do it all over again, 100% I would.